So we are wrapping up the very end of Roman numeral 3 in this video. You should be currently on number 7 of your typed outline, where I'm going to quickly explain the relationship between the Dutch and the Japanese, because this is a very important part to finish up Roman numeral 3. So for reasons I'm going to explain in a moment, the Dutch were the only Europeans allowed to trade in Japan for many years. Now, you don't have to write the reason why, but I'm hoping you're curious and you wonder why the Dutch, of all the people, are the Japanese trading with and no other Europeans. It was because the Dutch were not considered threatening to the Japanese. They're not trying to force their language, their culture, specifically their religion on the Japanese people, like so many other Europeans were trying to do. And so the Japanese really appreciated the way that the Dutch conducted business with them. So they were willing to share secrets with the Dutch, which is on your little A. Japan even shared secrets with the Dutch. One particular secret is they taught the Dutch how to make pottery. Make sure you're writing that down, okay, underneath the A. They taught the Dutch how to make pottery. And there's this town in the Netherlands, remember that's where the Dutch people come from, known as Delft. And so this town in the Netherlands became known for making this blue and white pottery that, of course, they learned from the Japanese. So this is referred to as Delft pottery. You can still go there today and buy this well-known pottery, and it's highly collectible even today. You just have to be careful because there are some fakes out there. So you have to have a really good eye and be trained to know, what's the real stuff and what's the stuff that's fake so you don't get ripped off. So make sure you know that Delft is the city in the Netherlands, or if you want to say city in Holland, where this pottery is being made. So we are now finished with Roman numeral 3, and that's going to bring us to this new typed outline, Roman numeral 4, which is all about the Americas and how that was discovered and some of the key components of it. Before we jump into this outline, you are going to be completing a reading assignment dealing with Christopher Columbus. It's a primary source document that you will pull up on Canvas, and you will answer the multiple choice questions that go along with that document, okay? And you can use the document to help answer those questions. So be very careful. Don't rush through this because it's few questions, so you don't have a lot of room to make mistakes. And once you have gone through that assignment, then we will be ready for the PowerPoint that's going to completely go over this section on the Americas. So make sure you complete that assignment first, and then we'll go over the information.